Evergreen presents Candid
English
Conversation Practice for Class 1.
Chapter 2. About myself.
Oh, hello. You are Ramesh?
Yes, sir.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
What's your father's name, Ramesh?
Mr. Prakash Rao, sir.
And your mother's name?
Mrs. Prema Rao, sir.
Have you any brothers, Ramesh?
No, sir.
Any sisters?
Just one, sir.
And what's her name?
Leela, sir.
You're a very intelligent boy, Ramesh.
Thank you, sir.
Chapter 3. My family.
Oh, hello, Ramesh.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ramesh. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. And you, sir?
Fine, thanks. Now, Ramesh, what's your father?
He's a doctor, sir.
And what's your mother?
She's a teacher, sir.
What's your sister?
She's a student, sir.
Right. Thank you, Ramesh.
Thank you, sir.